Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. I've been playing guitar for a good while now. I got my calluses all settled. And honestly, whenever someone asks me about learning guitar, my answer is always the same thing. Find yourself a good teacher. But my wife has been mentioning that she wants to learn, and since she's always on her phone anyway, I kept seeing these ads for Simply Guitar popping up everywhere. And I figured maybe it's time to see what these apps are actually all about. Y'all know I ain't shy about calling out stuff that don't work. So I downloaded this thing and spent a few weeks myself messing around with it. Some of what I found surprised me in good ways. Some, well, not so much. So let's dive into whether Simply Guitar is actually worth your time, or if it's just another one of those things that sound better in the commercials. Simply Guitar comes from the same people who made Simply Piano. You might have seen that one before. They started out as Joy Tunes back in 2011, and their whole deal is making music learning less intimidating for beginners. What caught my attention is that they ain't trying to turn everyone into Steve Vai overnight. They skip most of the theory and focus on you just getting comfortable picking up a guitar. Having taught a few folks myself over the years, I actually respect that approach. Like, sometimes you gotta crawl before you walk. And getting started is pretty straightforward. You download the app, you make an account, takes maybe 5 minutes. They ask you some basic questions about your experience level and what kind of music you're into. Now here's the part that had me curious. The app uses your phone's mic to listen to what you're playing. So I grabbed my Strat, gave it a shot, and I'll be honest, the detection works better than I expected for a phone mic. The whole setup is pretty clean. There's no confusing menus or cluttered screens, just lessons in order, and you tap to start. As you play, it listens and gives you feedback right away. Coming from someone who's used to proper amps and studio monitors, it felt weird at first, but I can totally see how beginners would find that immediate feedback really helpful. So let's talk about the money. What does this thing actually cost and what do you get for it? Simply Guitar runs about $10 a month if you pay annually, and that covers up to 5 people. The breadth of the song library really shocked me. Instead of playing hot cross buns for hours, you got current stuff like Billie Eilish and Harry Styles, and like good old classic rock. That's my stuff. And it's smart, because nobody wants to spend weeks learning nursery rhymes when they could be working on something they actually want to play. The app includes the usual tools: tuner, metronome, ability to slow songs down, and loop sections. The tuner works fine, though I still reach for my regular one just out of habit. The lessons focus mainly on basic chords and strumming patterns. Your standard open chords, G, C, D, E minor, and how to switch between them without sounding like you're having a seizure. For complete beginners, that's exactly where you need to start. It took me months to do bar chords. Don't go there. Now I've got affiliate links for Simply Guitar down in the description, and y'all can actually get better deals through those links than going directly through their site. So the real question, what works and what doesn't? Well, like I said, Simply Guitar does not throw you into the deep end right away. The lessons are short, the instructions are clear, and they get you playing real songs pretty quick instead of making you drill boring finger exercises for months. As much as that works, it doesn't work for everyone. Even someone who's never touched a guitar can probably figure out the interface without much trouble. The song selection kept my attention longer than I expected, because having current hits mixed in with classics means you're actually motivated to practice instead of just kind of going through the motions. There's something satisfying about nailing a song you actually know, instead of some random exercise that nobody cares about. But here's where things can get messy. The note detection, it's all over the place. Sometimes it'd give me a thumbs up when I knew I'd botched a chord change. Other times, it'll mark me wrong when I was playing it right, just with different fingering than it expected. For someone like myself who knows their way around a fretboard, that's annoying. For a beginner, that can mess them up real bad. And look, the app has a pretty low ceiling. If you're already comfortable with your basic chords, or if you want to learn lead or finger picking or any real technique beyond campfire strumming, you're gonna outgrow this thing pretty quickly. It's like learning to drive in an empty parking lot. It's totally fine for the basics. You get how to go into drive, go into reverse, cool. But eventually you're gonna need to start hitting some real roads. Since we're talking guitar apps, let me mention Musician real quick, since that's Simply Guitar's biggest competitor, I'd say. Now, Simply Guitar keeps things focused. It's about chords and strumming patterns and getting you comfortable with the basics. Musician goes above and beyond that. They say, go for scales, go for theory, bring in multiple instruments. And it sounds great on paper, but if you're new at all this, it can get really overwhelming quickly. If you just want to play some songs around a campfire, Simply Guitar's approach just makes more sense. You'll be strumming along to real songs within a few weeks. But if you're the type of person who wants to understand why chord progressions work, or learn lead guitar, really do that theory, you'll probably want something with more depth. Now, of course, an app is not going to replace a good teacher. I stand by that one to the end. But they can definitely get you started if that just isn't an option for you for whatever reason right now. Here's my bottom line. Simply Guitar works for folks who are like intimidated by the guitar and need something to ease them into it. If you've never touched a guitar and you're worried you ain't musical enough, this might give you the confidence to keep going. That's great. It's also solid for parents who want their kids to try guitar without dropping serious money on lessons right away. Let them play around with the app for a few months, and if they stick with it, then find them a real instructor. But if you've been playing for a while, or you're just the type of person who wants to get the instrument and not just memorize shapes, you're gonna need more. The app is like learning to cook with a microwave, okay? It'll get the job done, but you're not a chef. Let me know in the comments if y'all have tried Simply Guitar or any other guitar apps. I'm curious what your experience has been. And remember, I've got those affiliate links for Simply Guitar in the description below. They'll hook you up with better deals than going straight to their website, and it helps keep this channel going as well. Thanks for watching, party on, and I'll see you in the next one.